Record is rolling. It's Friday, February 14th. Finally, time to test these bridges. So you guys are getting your bridges together and those ready. All right, right before I hit that, I've seen some of these course selection forms starting to float around. Now, I don't think these have been officially released yet, although a couple students have seen have these. So we started to think about this. Now, this is a 12th grade course selection form, which is for if you're in 11th grade now going into 12th next year, right? Which is most of you guys. Got a couple 12th graders, a couple 10th graders, but most of you guys don't get this one. Right. Actually, right now, you guys are looking on the elective side here, but well, okay, course selection, I should say. I can tell you guys graduation requirement in Florida for related to science, which is this: between science and social studies, you're supposed to have taken 7 classes before you graduate high school, right? So to get your high school diploma. The fact that you're sitting in physics right now means that you've almost certainly taken biology and chemistry already, maybe in the past. So you've taken bio, chem, and physics. So that's 3 science classes. Again, between science and social studies, you have to have a total of 7. Okay, so flip over back to where's before. Oh, I'm looking at here's science electives. They got a whole list here. So I got forensic science, marine science. You chose just 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Got anatomy, environmental, anatomy, physiology, science research. And then there's a whole list of AP classes. So if anybody wanted to do the AP, there are definitely a handful of you guys in here who could do AP. If you want to do AP, it's really similar to what we've done so far in this class, except the puzzles are a bit harder, right? A bit harder. You get to take the AP exam at the end of the year. Also, this is kind of the point of the year where my classes are starting to diverge. So I'm going to teach you guys a bunch of new stuff that does not show up on the AP exam. So you guys sitting in honors actually get a few new additional topics. We'll go a little bit deeper too. All right, so there's course selection should be showing up pretty soon. All right. Do you guys normally get those through your English classes normally? Yeah, okay, that's normally how that works, right? All right, so of course we're gonna be testing these bridges today. So I have show you guys these materials for the setup here. Materials. All right, so you guys know this span is 20 centimeters. That's what I've been telling you guys. So set up a 20 centimeter gap. Oh, I got these desks set up right in front of me. I'll set your bridge here. I'm going to put those 9 centimeter diameter roll of tape on top. And then the gray tray, right, which is a little bit of weight, but bridge should definitely hold that. And then start stacking on lab weights. We're going to see whose bridge can hold the most lab weight. Whoever's bridge holds the most lab weight, your team is going to win some strawberry cheesecake baby buns. Right, that's what it's all about. And then we should have a few spare minutes at the end of class. And as it happens, on practical engineering, which just uploaded an hour ago, engineers love letter to cable stayed bridges. So play part of that. Be a good way to roll out the class. All right, let's test these bridges.